So this is the marketing application. So you can see here we will be having some different set of submenus. You can see segments, marketing emails, customer journey, social posting, lead scoring model, marketing pages, marketing forms. Okay. So with that, we will be moving to the presentation. Okay. Okay. So this will be our agenda for the day. So we'll be discussing about the D365 for marketing introduction and then its uses and capabilities. And then we will be discussing about the important terminologies or important entities that are coming under D365 for marketing. So we'll be discussing about marketing segments, marketing email, customer journey, marketing form and page, and then lead scoring model. And finally, we will be discussing about social posting. So these are all the important topics that are coming under this D365 for marketing. But other than that, uh, there will be something new. Microsoft is introducing a lot of new features in this particular area. So you can use docs to go through remaining topics. Okay, whenever a new topic is getting introduced. D365 for marketing is a marketing automation application that helps turn prospects into business relationships. The app is easy to use, works seamlessly with Dynamics 365 sales, and has built-in business intelligence. Okay, so this is a recently implemented application. So earlier we just had only those marketing lists and campaigns. So whatever we discussed yesterday, right? That are coming as part of sales application. So earlier we had that particular module only, but recently Microsoft introduced this separate marketing application where we have lot of features. Okay, so here you will be seeing different uses and capabilities of this new application. So it will be useful for creating a graphical email messages and online content to support marketing initiatives, and it will be helping to design interactive customer journeys to nurture leads with personalized experience. Okay, and then it will be having some lead scoring model where we can prioritize our leads to win more leads. Okay, so for example, if we are having some 100 leads and the marketing person is going to target those 100 leads within 1 or 2 days is very difficult, right? But in case if we have some mechanism that particular scoring model, if it tells the marketing person to concentrate only on the top 20 leads, then it will be very easy for him, right? So those kind of things we can do using this marketing application. Okay, then it will be useful for us to organize and publicize any events. If our business wants to organize some event, and if you want to gather a group of customers for that events, using this application you can do that. Either it can be a offline event or it can be a online event. Whatever it is, it will be very, this application will provide you lot of option to organize all the type of events. Okay, and then using this application you can send surveys to your customer, and then you can gather feedback from your customers, and everything you can do from a single place. Okay, so these are the different users and capabilities that this particular application will be able to do. Okay, and we will cover most of the uses in our coming slides. Okay, so this is our first topic, marketing segments. This marketing segment is something related to marketing list that we discussed yesterday. So where we will be preparing some list of leads or contacts or accounts. So only to those targeted members only we will be initiating our marketing campaigns, right? So similarly, in this new marketing application, we are having marketing segments. Okay. This is one of the first and most important decisions you will make when you design any marketing piece to choose a right audience. Okay, the same functionality this marketing segments will also do. Okay, only after you know this, you will be able to tailor your message to best appeal to that group of people. Okay, and similar to marketing list, here also we are having two types. One is static segments and the other one is dynamic segments. So there we discussed about static marketing list and dynamic marketing list, right? So similar to that, we have static and dynamic segments. The functionality is same in both the places. So if it is static segment, then the initial list of members will be static throughout the customer journey. If it is dynamic, then based on the query, a new set of members will be added periodically. Okay. So we will see quickly how we can create a marketing segment. Okay. So from the application, so under customers, you can see segments. Okay. Here I already created two segments. One is for Chennai static and the other one is for Chennai dynamic. Okay, we will open one record and see how it looks. Okay. Once I open this record, in the first tab itself, I am able to see all the members who are part of this particular segment. Okay. And if you want to give any name, and if you want to choose the segment type, either a static segment or dynamic segment, you can choose all those things from a general tab. Okay. Other things are for some other purpose. We don't want to worry about other fields as of now. But the main thing is you need to choose segment type. And once this is done, when you come to this members tab, here you will be seeing the list of members. Okay. And similarly, if you go to dynamic also, the same thing will happen. So you will see the list of members here. Here you can see the query as well. Okay, so based on this query, these are all the members available under this segment. Okay, and here it will be dynamic segment. Okay, so any query in this segment part. Okay, and if you want to create a new one, you just need to click on this. It will tell you whether you want to create a static segment or dynamic segment. Okay, and once you create this record, it will be in draft status only. And so you remember in our other CRM application, we always used to activate the record, right? Once we create it, it will be most of the records will be in draft status, and after that we need to activate the record, right? Here, instead of activate button, we will be having a button called go live. Okay, so both will do the same purpose. So here, every time you create any record, you need to click on this go live button instead of activate. Okay. And the next topic is marketing email. Email is a vital marketing channel for most modern organizations. And it's also a core feature of Dynamics 365 marketing, which provides tools for creating a graphically rich marketing email with dynamic and personalized content. Okay, so using this marketing application, you can create a graphically rich marketing email, and that creation will not take much time. You will be having some canvas kind of thing where you can drag and drop. Okay, and your marketing email will be ready in few clicks. Okay, Dynamics 365 can send large volumes of personalized marketing emails, monitor how each recipient interacts with them, drive customer journey automation based on these interactions, and present results both for individual contacts and with the aggregate statistical analytics. One thing we can do with this marketing application is you will be sending the marketing emails to your customer, but after sending, you need to track those emails, right? Whether the customer is actually opening that email or whether they are reading. So those kind of things also you can track using this application. You will come to know when the particular customer opens that email. If the particular email was not at all open, you can see that also from this application. Okay. And particular email is not open, then you can again send one more follow-up email to that same customer and you can track the progress. Okay. So while creating your email, you must have a subscription center link, physical address, subject, from address. Okay, so this subscription center link, I hope most of you might be aware of. Even you would have seen this whenever you receive any marketing email. Okay, whenever you receive any marketing email, either from Flipkart or Amazon or from some other place, if you scroll down to the bottom, there will be one button, one hyperlink called unsubscribe. Okay. If you click on that, it will take you to some external form, and where it will ask you some questions. Why do you want to unsubscribe from this email? So you might have seen that, right? The same thing we can do using this marketing application, and this is a mandatory step. You cannot send any marketing email without that option. This is a compliance one. Okay, so every company who wants to send a marketing email to any customer, they want to include this subscription link. Okay, and also they need to include their physical address, their corporate address. Okay, and all the email should have a subject. Without subject, we should not send a email. And then the from address also we can configure within the marketing application. Okay, once we are ready with the design of our marketing email, then we need to publish or go live. We need to click on the go live button. Okay, and then this marketing email can be used in any customer journey. So we will see about customer journey in the coming slides. Okay. So I hope you are clear, right? Using marketing D365 for marketing application, you can create graphically rich marketing email. Okay, and while creating marketing email, you need to remember to enter these mandatory information. Okay, and after that you need to publish that marketing email that you created. Okay, and these are all the different components that are available in the email designer. Okay, not only these, you will be seeing more set of components that I will show you in the demo, but these are all the important things. You can set a background picture, you can add text to your email. For that, you can use assist edit, you can add image, you can add link. So whatever required, you can add in your marketing email. Everything is just from a drag and drop. Okay. We will see a demo of it. So I have already created one marketing email. So this is the one I created. Okay. New product launch email. Whenever you are launching a new product, so you can introduce your new product to your existing customer, right? So I have already published this one, so that's why it's not editable. So now I just stopped it. Okay. So currently it is stopped. Now from the right side, I can see a toolbox, right? So here I have text option, image, button. If you want to include any video, you can include that. And you have divider. If you want to insert any code, you can insert QR code, content block. You have a lot of options from here. Okay. And this is how I created one email. So everything I just dragged from right side and I just put it here in the canvas. So this is a image component, right? For image component, I just dragged this image component and I just put it here. Okay, then system will ask you what image you want to add here. Okay, and similarly, I have given some text also. Okay, hi. So here I have given some dynamic value. It will take the email address from the contact. Okay, so I for this since for demo purpose I used this email address, but if you want to use a contact name, then you can choose that dynamic value as well. Okay, you using this personalization button, you can set any dynamic value. Okay, and if you require, you can add some more text as well. So currently I have given like happy to introduce a new product to you, get extra 10% discount if you buy using below coupon. And here also I added this image component only. I just drag from here and I put it here, and then I just need to select one. I need to upload one image from my computer, and then I can select that image here. Okay. And at the bottom, I have added one click here button. Okay. So if a user clicks on this button, it will take to the marketing page that I created. So that I will tell you later. Once we move to the marketing page, I will explain you how to create a marketing page and how to embed a marketing form within that. Okay. So I have given that link as well. And at the bottom, you can see I have given my address, company address, and then I have given this unsubscribe also. So these are all the mandatory things. OK, only if these mandatory things are there, then only system will allow you to save and click on go live button. If the mandatory things are not there, then system will not allow you to go live this particular marketing email. OK. And we have, so if you want to create a new one, you just need to click on that and it will show you one pop-up where you can choose some existing template if you need, or you can create your marketing email from scratch as well. OK. So it is loading. OK, so here you can see that when I click on new button, I can see this pop-up. So from here, you can select any existing template. If you want one column template or if you want two column template, so whatever it is, you can choose from here. And if you click on select button, then the template, the framework will be generated. And on top of that, if you want to add anything, you can do. OK, or if you click on skip button here, then you need to build from a blank template. OK. So any query in this part, marketing email. And the next one is customer journey. OK, as you engage with your potential customers, they start by discovering your product, evaluate whether it meets their needs, look for the good offer. So obviously customer will be looking for all these things. So they will also have a lot of interaction with you and you will also have a lot of interaction with your customer, right? And this customer journey will be the one that solve that problem. OK, so using this customer journey, the interaction between you and the customer can be easily processed. OK, using this Dynamics 365 marketing customer journey to create a model that helps you guide the members of the selected marketing segment through this process by using automated messaging, activity generation, interactive design points, and more. OK, so if you are a big organization, OK, and around some 500, 600 people are working on this particular marketing team. OK, and if you want all the 500, 600 marketing people to follow the same strategy against the customer, then you can use this customer journey process. OK, then all the marketing team members will be in a sync. OK, so they will follow the standard organization process. OK, so we will see how we can create a simple customer journey. OK, so usually in real time, this customer journey will be having a lot of steps. OK, so there can be initial lead creation and then email activity and then some scoring. And if the scoring threshold is reached, then we need to make a phone call to the customer. And based on the phone call, we need to either qualify or disqualify. So there will be a lot of steps involved in this customer journey. But for a demo purpose, we will be seeing one quick customer journey creation. OK, so in this journey, we'll be having only two steps. OK, first we will be adding our segments, marketing segment that we have created, right? So as a first step, we will be having the marketing segment. OK, and then as a second step, we will be sending a marketing email to the marketing segment. OK, so we will be adding one marketing segment. And for example, within that marketing segment, there are some 5 members or 5 customers under that marketing segment. OK, so this will be our first step. OK, and the next step, we will be adding the marketing email. OK, marketing email is like for those 5 customers, we will be sending the marketing email that we created in our system. OK, now moving to customer journey demo. OK, so as we discussed earlier, we will be creating a simple customer journey. OK, where we will be using this marketing segment that we already created and both are in live status. OK, so this will be our first step. And as a second step, we will be using this marketing email. OK, in the customer journey. OK, similar to marketing email, here also we will be having a set of templates. If you want to use a template, we can use from here, or if you want to start from the blank journey, then you can click on this skip button. Okay. So for time being, I will be using this simple email journey. Okay. So once I click on that, framework has been already there. Okay. So the first step would be adding the audience. So say audience is like segment. Okay. And then the second step would be choosing the email. Okay. So here I will be clicking on this new button, source type segment. Here I can choose any segment. Okay. So I have choose this Chennai static segment. And similarly, if I want to add another segment, then I can click on add condition and I can choose multiple segments as well. Okay. You can choose n number of segments here. Okay. And the next step is choosing an email. Okay. So we already have one email that is already in live status, new product launch email. Okay. So that's it. So now when I trigger this particular customer journey, okay, it will check all the members that are part of this marketing segment. Okay, it will take a list of all the customers from there and it will send the email that we designed, right? It will send this email to all the members. Okay. And from general tab, if you want to give any name, you can give simple journey. And then if you want to give any start time, for example, if you want to start this customer journey from January next year, then you can give that date. Or if you want to start from now, you can give today's date. Okay, based on your requirement, you can select the dates. And if you come here, you can see segments used. Okay, so we have used this Chennai static marketing segment, so that's why it is visible here. If you add another 2-3 segments, then everything will be displayed here. And here you can see the marketing emails used. So I have selected this new product launch email, right? So that's why it is displayed here. Okay. Then after saving, we will be checking for errors. Okay. So now it is passed. Okay. There are no errors in this customer journey. And now once I click on this go live button, right? Then all the customers who are part of this marketing segment will start receiving this kind of email. Okay. After that, we have this insights button, insights tab. Here we can check after we click on go live and after some few hours, if we come here and check the insights tab, here we can see all the insights, how many email messages are delivered and how many email messages got responses from the customer. Okay, responses in the sense whether the customer clicked on any link from here or whether he forwarded this email to someone else. So those kind of responses you can track from here. Okay, currently it is showing a straight line, but over the time when customers start interacting with this email message, right, then you'll be seeing some graph here. Okay. And then we will go to a marketing page and marketing form. Okay. Marketing page is a web page that includes a form where people can register for an offer, update their contact information, manage mailing list, subscription, and more. Okay. So I was explaining about this one, right? Unsubscribe one. Okay. So if I click on this unsubscribe, it will take me to some form, right? I'll show you this. So currently our organization is blocking this. Otherwise, it will take me to some page, right, where it will be asking some questions like why do you want to unsubscribe from this marketing email. Okay, so that is kind of a form. Okay, and that form is being hosted in a page, marketing page. Okay, so both marketing page and form will come together only. Okay, and whatever the customers are updating from that marketing page, right, it will be directly updated in the D365 contact record. We have this contact record in our system, right? For example, we are sending an email message to this person. This for this customer, I am sending this marketing email, and that particular person opens this marketing email and he is not satisfied with the email and he want to unsubscribe. Okay, then he will click on this unsubscribe button, and from there he will click on unsubscribe. Okay, after that, once he click on unsubscribe button, from there, this marketing material, this field right here, it will be set to do not send. So currently it is in send. Okay, but once he unsubscribe from the marketing email, this will be set to do not send. And after that, whenever you try to send any marketing email to this person, it will be failed only. Okay, the marketing email will not be triggered to this particular customer. Okay. First, so this step we will not read. Instead, we will see in our demo how we can create a marketing form. Okay. So similar to marketing email, for marketing form also, you will be having different components. You can add text, image, divider, button, captcha. So in most of the forms, you might be seeing this captcha, right? So if required, you can add this captcha also in your form. Okay. And similar to other things like marketing email and customer journey, here also you can use existing template or you can create from a blank one. Okay. Once our marketing form is ready, then we can go for the creation of marketing page where we can embed the marketing form that we created earlier. Okay. And here also you'll be seeing these kind of elements, and all those things, whether it's a marketing form or marketing page, the design will be same. It will be similar to marketing email design only. You'll be having a center canvas, and from right side, you can drag the component and you can put it in the center canvas. Step, we will be creating a marketing form, or we will check the existing marketing form. Okay. So this is the form I created. I named it as single form, and I have already clicked on go live on this one. So if I click on stop button, then again it will be coming to the editable state. And after that, again, I need to click on go live button. Otherwise, we will not be able to use this marketing form. Okay. So here you can see I have designed one marketing form. This form is having some text like, if you are interested, enter below details. Okay. And it is asking for first name, last name, and email address. So all those things I created using this toolbox only. So I just need to drag from here and I need to put it here. Okay. And at the bottom, I have added the submit button and reset button. Okay. Similarly, if you want to create a new form, you can click on this new button. And similar to marketing email, here also you will be getting some templates. You can choose a template or you can create from a blank. Okay. Now our marketing form is ready. Now the next step would be creating a marketing page. Okay. And in that marketing page only, we need to embed this marketing form. Okay. And this is the one I created, new product launch marketing. And I have already clicked on go live. Okay, so here also you can see, right? You have different options to add text, image, divider, button, content block, and here you can see a form component. So you can see at the top I added one image component, and then I added some text component, and then I added some image again. Okay, and here you can see the form, right, that we discussed earlier. So I just added this form component here. I just dragged from here and I put it here. OK. And then once I put this form component, then system will ask me to select which form should be displayed here. OK. Then I have chosen the one that I created earlier. OK. So you can see a similar form. If you are interested, enter below details. It is asking for first name, last name, and email address. OK. So, and then once we are done, we need to check for errors, and then we need to click on go live. So the first step is we need to create a marketing form. And the next step is we need to create a marketing page. And we need to embed the marketing form within the marketing page. OK. Actually, what I did is, so earlier we were talking about this email, right? Marketing email. So here I have added this text, right? If you are interested, click here. OK. So in this hyperlink, I have given this marketing page URL. Okay, once you create your marketing page within this marketing application, and if you go to this summary tab, here you'll be seeing this full page URL. Okay, so when user click on this URL, it will take them to the marketing page. From there, they can insert the first name, last name, and email address. Okay, so that marketing page link, right, I have added here within my email, marketing email. Okay, so whenever user click on this click here button, I don't know whether it will open from here or not. Okay, it's opened. So you can see from this email, once the customer click on this click here hyperlink, it is taking him to this page. Okay, so here it is asking him if you are interested, enter below detail. Okay. Just okay, if this customer is really interested in this new product, then he is adding the details from here. Okay, and once customer completes this form, okay, and if we wait for some time, a new contact record will be created within our system. So I have given test something, right? You can see test CRM training. So the one that I entered from there, right, it got created here. Here you can see the source marketing page. So this contact was created from this marketing page and this marketing form. So this is the marketing form we used, and this is the marketing page we used. OK. And email address also is populated, testcrmtraining@gmail.com. And similarly, if we go to lead, a new lead also will be created with the same name, test CRM training. OK. So it is showing some different time, and because the time zone is different here. Here also the first name, last name, email address, everything will be coming. OK. So any query in this marketing form and marketing page? OK. Next we move to a lead scoring model. So this will help you identify the hottest leads. Dynamics 365 marketing can score a lead based on different criteria. OK, we have something called lead scoring model that we need to configure. OK, just a minute. OK, so we have a scoring model where we need to give the conditions and the actions. Based on that, system will score each and every lead within the system. OK, so based on certain field values, system will give some scoring. OK, And once the particular score got reached, then this lead will be set as sales ready lead. Okay. Initially, this lead is part of marketing team. Once the particular score has been reached, then this lead can be sent to sales team. Okay. For that, we are having one field called sales ready. That field will be set to yes. Okay. We will see how we can configure a scoring model. Okay. So from the application, if you see this lead management group, under that you have lead as well as scoring model. So I already created one scoring model and set it as live. Click on stop. Here we'll be having two components. One is condition and the other one is action. Okay. So here in condition, we will tell system to check the field. Okay. Field value. If this particular field value is this, then you give some 20 points to this lead. And similarly, if this particular field value is this much, then give some 10 points. So like that we can configure. Okay. If you want to add any condition, you just need to take this component. It is still in draft only. Okay. So now it is draft. You can see I can drag this component from here and I can put it here. Okay. So here I can give some condition. And that condition should be based on the lead entity. Okay. So now we will take this lead itself. Okay. So here we can. Okay. Okay. If the annual revenue of this particular lead is more than something, then we will give some 20 points to this lead. Okay. So for that, we will add one condition. Annual revenue. Great. Okay. I'm giving condition like annual revenue greater than 10,000. If annual revenue is greater than 10,000, then add some 20 points to this lead. And the grade condition, the grade I'm giving sales ready score as 30. Okay. Whenever a particular lead score is greater than 30, then this lead will be sent to sales team. Okay. And the sales ready flag will be set to true. Okay. So this is the one I configured now, just now. Okay. So annual revenue greater than 10,000. And similarly, I have some other conditions as well. Okay. Whenever the job title of this lead is CEO, then give 20 points. Okay. And similarly, if the number of employees is greater than 100, okay, then also give some 20 points. Okay. Or for this condition, we can change it to 10 points. Okay. So whenever job role is CEO, then 20 points. Then whenever number of employees of this lead is greater than 100, then 10 points. And whenever annual revenue is greater than 10,000, then again give 20 points to this lead. Okay. So I will save and I will click on go live. So it passed the error check. It is going live. Okay, now you can see the status as live. Okay. Now this is my newly created lead, and currently you can see the lead score tab is empty. The reason is job title is blank. Okay, now I will set job title as CEO. And also if you see annual revenue is also blank and number of employees also blank. Okay, I just set job title as CEO. Okay, now within some time it should create one entry here. So it is live. And also here you can see it is currently in inquiry stage, the first stage of BPF. Okay, so in the meantime, we will go to the other topic and then we will come back here to check how the lead scores are calculated. Okay, so currently I have given this job title as CEO, which will satisfy the first condition. And once we see other topic, we will be giving values for these two fields as well, annual revenue and number of revenues, and we will check how the lead scores are getting increased. Okay. Our last topic for this day, social posting. Okay, Dynamics 365 marketing can schedule and post messages directly to your organization's account on social media sites. Okay, so using this application, you can directly post anything in your organization's social media. Okay, social media account, either it can be Twitter or Facebook or LinkedIn, Instagram, whatever it is. So it should be organization account. Okay, and before you create this social posting, your administrator should authenticate the social account. Okay, so for that you need to have one official Twitter account. Your organization should have official Twitter account, and you need to accept some, your administrator should accept some terms and conditions. Okay, once the social media account is linked with your Dynamics CRM environment, then after that, whenever you create any record from this social posting, it will be automatically posted in your organization's social media account. Okay, so here these are all the different channels: Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and currently Instagram is also added. And you have two options to post, whether you can either you can post that social media message by now itself, or you can schedule for some future date as well. Okay. Here you'll be having this social media, social post. Okay. So once you click on this, it will give you a calendar kind of view. Okay. So that if you want to post something on 29th of December, then you can click here and you can create a social post. And if you want to create anything tomorrow, then you can click here. Okay. And then once you select your date, then you need to click on new button. So currently I will not be able to create any social post now because I need to have some social media account and I need to link that social media account with this organization. Only then I will be able to actually post the record. But now we can check how we can do that. Okay. So here you have you can give some name for your post. Okay. And then here you can select the channel, whether it is Twitter or Facebook, Instagram or LinkedIn. Okay. Once you select any channel, then this message box, right? Message box and this media will get updated. Okay. So here, once you select Twitter, the message limit is up to 279. Okay. And you can see the media. Sorry. Under media, you can see some comment, right? There can be a maximum of 4 images per Twitter post. And the recommended size also it is giving something. Okay. Similarly, if I choose Facebook, now you can see it is giving some different limit. Earlier it was showing some 279. Now it is showing some different limit. And images also here it is showing 30 images, maximum of 30 images, and recommended image size is something like this. Okay. And similarly for other channel also it will show you some different value based on that social media. Okay. Maybe for Facebook, it is accepting more text elements. So that's why it is giving some longer length. Okay. And once I click on Instagram, it is showing some different ranges. Okay. And after that, I can click on save. And if I click on post now, then immediately it will be posted, or you can schedule for some other day. So you can use this option, as well as from here also you have the option, right? If you create something from 29th, then it will be scheduled only on 29th. Only if you create something on 16th, then only it will be posted immediately. Okay. So you are clear with this social posting, right? So now we will go back to that lead. Open lead. Okay, so you can see a new record created here, right? So if you remember, for CEO, for job title, whenever this condition is satisfied, we are giving 20-point increase, right? So that's why you can see for this lead score, it is showing 20. Okay, now we will set the second point. Okay, here number of employees greater than 100. Okay, so I will set something like 200. And for this condition, I am giving 10 points as an action item. I'm increasing 10 points. Okay, so if we wait for some time, so now the score is 20. If you wait for some time, it will be updated to 20 plus 10, 30. Some process will be running at the background. Okay, so that's why it is taking some time. And also, if you notice, earlier our BPF stage was at inquiry only. Okay, I didn't click on next stage from here, right? It automatically came to second stage. The reason is something is happening at the background, and it is updating some score for this particular lead, and system is considering that okay, some automation is happening for this, so that's why it is moved to automated marketing qualification stage. Okay, and here you'll be seeing this field sales ready. Currently it is set to no, but once the particular score got increased to 30 or above 30, then this flag also will be set to true. Currently it is set to no only, but after the score got updated, it will be set to. Okay, now you can see it is updated to 30. The reason is for CEO condition also matched, and number of employees also greater than 100, right? I have given 200, so that's why two conditions are satisfied. Now we will set another condition. Annual revenue greater than 10,000. I will give 20,000. Now this will be updated to 50 in some time. Okay, and before that, if you notice, earlier our stage BPS, the active stage was at second stage only. Now it is automatically moved to third stage. The reason is, from the lead scoring model, I have given sales ready score as 30, right? When this particular score for this lead reached 30, then automatically this flag will also be set to true. Since this particular lead itself is ready for sales, and automatically it moved to sales acceptance stage. Okay. Now if I refresh, now you can see again some 20 points get added to this particular lead, and currently the score of this lead is 50. Okay. So this is just a sample conditions I'm giving, but in real time, we can give some valid conditions. Okay. Based on that, system will automatically score the lead, and in real time, no one will give 20 point, 10 point increase. Okay. So there will be lot of conditions, and for each condition, there can be some 2 points or 3 points. Based on the importance of that condition, we can give some 2 points or 3 points. And once the particular lead reaches a threshold value, then it will be automatically qualified for sales readiness. Okay. Any query? So that's all for today's session. So we discussed about marketing segments, marketing email, customer journey, marketing form and page, and lead scoring model, and social posting.